Okay, so first things first, light enters an acrylic lens at a 26-degree angle. If the index of refraction for air is 1, index of refraction for acrylic is 1.495. What's the angle of refraction for light? So the equation we're using is down at the bottom of the page here. It's this one, n1 sine 1 theta equals n2 sine theta 2. And you're just going to plug the numbers in and solve. Like, it's very straightforward. So the numbers we have here, we have the light entering at 26-degree angle, that's theta 1. So the angle it comes in is the first angle, so that's theta 1, so that's 26 degrees. Index of refraction for air, so it starts in the air and then it goes into acrylic. So N1 is 1. N2 is what it goes through after it bends, and that's acrylic. So it goes from the air into the acrylic. So that's 1.495. And the number we don't know is the angle of refraction, which is theta 2. Okay, so then you just plug the numbers in and solve. So N1, here's the equation. N1 sine theta 1 equals N2 sine theta 2. So N1 is 1 times the sine of 26 equals 1.495 times the sine of theta 2. So when you go about solving this, you'll use your calculator, obviously. So what you do first is I find the sine of 26 first. So on here, sine 26 gives me 0.438. Maybe I should have given more space. Oh well. Maybe. Then 1 times that is obviously 0.438, so I don't need to do anything there. And then you would divide the 1.495 to the other side. So 0.438 divided by 1.495 gives me 0.293 equals sine theta 2. And then we've done this, but it's been a while. When you're trying to get sine of something by itself, you do the opposite of what's being done. So what's being done is sine, so you're going to do the sine negative 1 of it. And you do that to both sides. And that's going to give you your answer, which is theta. So this number here, I just do sine negative 1 of that. So on my calculator, here's my sine. Above it is sine negative 1, so I do second sine. There's my sine negative 1 of my answer, or you can just type it in. And there we are, 17.05. I'll just leave it as 17.0. And there you go. So I want you guys to try 4, 5, and 6. So 4 is it enters acrylic at a 62-degree angle. Find the refraction for air. Find the index of refraction. What's the angle of refraction of the light? So again, same basic thing, but it changed the angle, so you'll try that one first. Then it's light leaving acrylic. So that one's going to change what N1 and N2 are. And then the last one is a mystery material that you don't know the index of refraction of. but you do know the angle of refraction. You're going to solve for n to see what you get. Okay? All right, so go ahead and work on 3 through 6. I'll give you a little bit of time to do that. And then we'll jump back to 1. I'll show you how to do 1 and 2, and then we'll see where we are.